Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger back bumper. First, you'll want to open your trunk to gain access to some crucial fasteners. Using a plastic pry tool, gently remove the push pins securing the trunk liner. There are typically 3 to 5 of these. Also, carefully pull up the rubber whether stripping around the trunk opening to ensure it's out of your way. This initial preparation makes the subsequent steps much smoother. Next, focus on the wheel wells and the underside of the bumper. You'll find several plastic push pins connecting the fender liners to the bumper cover. Carefully remove these. Then, get underneath the vehicle to locate and remove approximately 4 to 6 10mm bolts along the bottom edge of the bumper. Don't forget to check for any smaller 7mm screws hidden within the wheel well area on both sides. Now it's time to address the tail lights. Inside the trunk, you'll find 2 or 3 nuts, often 8mm, holding each tail light in place. Once these are removed, gently pull the tail light assemblies straight out and disconnect their electrical connectors. This step reveals crucial 10mm bolts, usually 1 or 2 per side, that directly secure the bumper cover to the vehicle's frame. With all fasteners removed, you're ready for the final release. Double-check for any remaining electrical connectors, like those for the license plate lights or parking sensors, and disconnect them. Then, starting from one side, gently but firmly pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle. It should unclip from its mounting points. Work your way across, ensuring all clips and tabs are free to avoid any damage to the paint or bumper itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.